On Amazing Kitchen today, we'll be talking about Johnny cake, a staple of the Caribbean, and I'll be showing you a recipe on how to make this without butter. So this is very tasty, and at the end, we will be talking about where it's originated and a little history and background on Johnny cake. Okay, let's get into cooking. Now that you've seen how the Johnny cake is made, have you ever tried something like this? It is very tasty. It is a staple of the Caribbean. In the old days, it is called journey cake because people take it on trips and journey. So it lasts in the open air. It is very resilient to weather, as well as it's very filling because it's quite a heavy bread. So it's good to take on trips. And the origin of this can be debatable. Some people say it's from America, some say it's from England, but at the end of the day, it's nonetheless a very good bread. This is a good example of leavened bread. Unleavened bread, I made an episode of that earlier. I'll leave a link above if you'd like to see. Is made without leavening agent. So this contains baking powder, so it has a leavening agent, so it gives it that nice spongy soft texture to it. Okay, well, I mean, when it was originally invented in America, it was made from cornmeal. It is also called cornbread, but that's similar to a pancake. This one is more of a dense bread, so it's slightly different because it later on got passed down from America to Jamaica and to the rest of the Caribbean. So in the Caribbean, it's very well known for Johnny cake. Some people bake it, some people deep fry it. There's all different methods to make it, and recipes are so many. But this recipe that I just showed you contains no butter. So if those of you who worries about some fat and grease and oil in your Johnny cake, this may be a good recipe for you. Give it a try. It's just as soft and spongy. So I guess that's enough of it. I hope you enjoy it. Cut it open, put cheese in it, put anything that you prefer in it. I like to put salmon stir-fried with some tomato and onion. It serves a very good snack, breakfast, brunch, or anything. Okay, well, I guess that's about it. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button. If you don't turn on the notification, you won't be notified on the next video when we post. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye now.